Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the Pomarine Skua in Heartopia for the Call of Whales Fashionwave event. I know you guys are probably sick of me saying that title, but it is what it is. So unfortunately, the birds are dispersed everywhere in this map, well mostly like this area and the Onsen Mountain area. But for the Pomarine Skua, you'll find it around the Windmill flower field, and it's going to look something like this. And you're just going to take a picture, and this is what the bird looks like. And yeah, that is where the Pomarine Skua is. I have other videos on the other birds as well, of course. There's no weather and time for these birds. They're just going to spawn here all day, every single day. But if you want 5 stars on it, you do have to wait for it to rain, of course. So I probably will just do it again when it's raining, so I'll get 5 stars on my pictures. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!